creating Power BI dashboards almost always require vertical text. But vertical text is not as easy as it would appear within Power BI. So stay tuned. We're going to jump right to how to do this. It's an easy fix. And once you do it once, you'll remember it forever. So let's get started. So here we have a typical text box, right? We've just gone here to text box. We've added it. Now we've selected it and typed in our text. But if you look over here on the properties, you're not going to find rotate text. So it does not work. So what will work? Well, you could add a rectangle. Now, when you add a rectangle to your environment, you can go down and actually change some of the effects that are related to that rectangle. So here you can see when you click on, and I apologize, we click on shape and then we click on style. I was trying to remember as I was talking where it is. We're going to turn the fill off. We're going to keep the border off because we don't. Now you could keep a border, and of course you could do fill, but we're not going to do it for this. We're going to keep the border off. We're going to turn the text on. Now that the text is on, we can go ahead and just type in our text here to add text to the box. All right. And to add the text, we don't click on the box itself. We just click here and then we add our text. So we're just going to say text. Okay. And there we go. And we're going to change the color of it so we can see it. There it is right there. And we can change the size. We can do all types of things that we want to that text. But let's just leave it right there. All right. Now, we're going to go ahead and tighten that up a little bit. And then we're going to go down here. And we're going to go to rotation right here. So we're going to take this one in. And now we're going to go to rotation. I believe it's 270 degrees. There you go. So with 270, we can go ahead and just flip that text the way we want it. We can put that right there. And we're going to make sure that that bad boy is sitting on top. He is. And now we have our text any way that we want it. We can move it around, things of that nature. So pretty easy trick to do. We're just using a rectangle box and rotating the rectangle box and add text to it.